Have you noticed how AI renovation videos are suddenly everywhere? In just a few seconds, an old run-down room transforms into a stunning luxury space. A forgotten house becomes a dream home. And the craziest part, many of these videos are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. So here's the big question. Is it just luck? Or is there actually a simple workflow that anyone can follow? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to create eye-catching AI renovation videos from start to finish using AI tools. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'll share one game-changing tip that makes your AI transitions look dramatically smoother. It's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make, and fixing it can instantly make your videos feel much more professional. If you're interested in AI tools, YouTube automation, and learning how to create content that can generate real income online, don't forget to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. I upload new AI tutorials every week to help you stay ahead of the curve. All right, let's dive right in. Before we generate any images, we need a strong idea. Whenever I start a new project, I don't try to brainstorm everything myself. Instead, I ask ChatGPT to generate around 10 renovation concepts. Then I simply choose the one that grabs my attention the most. Here's a quick tip. Always choose a concept with a dramatic before and after. The bigger the transformation, the more satisfying your video will feel. And that's exactly what keeps viewers watching until the very end. Now it's time to create your main character. Instead of letting AI generate a completely different person in every scene, I always create one consistent character first. This makes the entire video feel much more realistic and tells a better visual story. Inside the master prompt, you'll find a ready-to-use character turnaround sheet. From there, you can customize everything however you like. Change the hairstyle, switch the outfit, add accessories, or even adjust the character's age and personality. Have fun with it and make the character your own. Because here's something a lot of people overlook. People aren't just watching the AI, they're connecting with the character throughout the transformation. Now we get to my favorite part, creating the images. Start by generating your first scene using your character reference inside Google Flow. Paste in the image prompt, double-check your settings, and click Generate. Once your first image looks good, don't upload the character sheet again. Instead, use the image you just created as the reference for the next scene. This is a small trick that makes a huge difference. It helps keep your character, camera angle, and overall visual style consistent throughout the entire video. Just repeat this same workflow for every remaining scene. By the end, you'll have a complete visual story that's ready for animation. Once all of your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. For each scene, simply use the matching video prompt. Don't rush this part. Try to create smooth, natural-looking movement. Even subtle camera motion can make your final video feel much more cinematic and realistic. I also like keeping the opening and ending scenes a little shorter while giving the middle scenes a bit more time. That creates a better pacing and keeps viewers engaged throughout the video. After all your AI clips have finished generating, import everything into your favorite editing software. Then go through each clip carefully. AI is amazing, but it's not perfect. Every now and then, you'll notice small glitches or awkward moments. Whenever that happens, simply trim out those sections. Once you've cleaned everything up, make any final edits you need so your video flows smoothly from beginning to end. Here's something I've learned after creating a lot of AI videos. Don't obsess over making every single scene perfect. Instead, focus on making each scene connect naturally with the next one. Viewers care much more about a smooth story than tiny AI imperfections. Here's another tip. A lot of beginners think longer prompts always create better results. In reality, clear and focused prompts usually produce cleaner, more consistent generations. Before exporting your video, spend a few extra minutes reviewing everything one last time. Catching a small mistake now can save you a lot of editing later. And don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas. Sometimes the project you expect the least ends up becoming your biggest viral hit. That's one of the most exciting parts about creating with AI. And that's my complete workflow for creating AI renovation videos from start to finish. I hope this tutorial saves you a lot of time and gives you the confidence to start creating your own AI content. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like. It helps the channel more than you might think. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. Every week, I share the latest AI tools, YouTube automation strategies, and practical tutorials to help you create content faster and grow your online income. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of AI videos are you planning to create after watching this tutorial? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one of them. And remember, if I was able to do this, trust me, you can too. And you'll probably do it even better. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you in the next video here on JACKY AI Flow.